In front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to your text message on this DOOGEE. First of all, you need to open Messages app. Then click on one of your chats and tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Following that, select one of your photos over here or click on this picture icon and click on it over here. If you wish to pick more than one, just hold one of your photos and tap on the other one. Then click on the back button. As you can see after that, my photos are over here. In order to send them, just hit send button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!